Okay, we would love to hear from you. How was your experience?
Good evening, everyone and ma'am. I'm Watson Divakar. I'm a retired teacher, English teacher, and I was into baking. I'm a Christian, so we were into baking, and I myself and my wife make all the plum cakes and sponge cakes at home, and we have oven and we use all the digital scaling and most of the almost 70 to 80% of the equipment what you show we have already, and we have been doing for
Wow.
years, but we were never into the market and the business. Since I'm retired now, since sitting at home, I just wanted to do it. And one day I was just going through and I saw your baking classes and immediately I joined that. And really, but I was never into this frosting, icing. I
Ah,
knew how to do that.
ah.
I can make a wonderful traditional plum cakes, nut cakes, and banana cakes, apple cakes, all these fruit cakes, and but not the sponge cakes with frosting, icing. I was never into that. I never knew also. So I have even a round table bought it, but I never tried it. But I joined your classes and they really seem to be very good and informative and educative. And even though I was baking for a long time, the small tips what you gave, like using that batter the thing in a slow speeds, and we never knew that the temperatures differ from OTGs,
Ah,
to a type of OTG. I have a 35 liters OTG.
okay.
And first day class, you gave that above 45 liters is something and below 45, 35, something like that. And all, I never knew that. And I'm using that. But only thing I just wanted to tell you is my premix chocolate came very well. I posted in FB.
Okay.
But what is that, vanilla cake, it didn't raise well, ma'am.
Praise well.
It,
Okay.
it, it only remained this much. And in the center, it raised a lot. Like
Okay.
doom it got. And
Okay.
just posted them, but it was very spongy and it is very good. And even I posted my thing also, and I did complete my all my things. And I posted my two premix recipes and two cakes. And I didn't go as yet for this icing cakes. As I told you, I
Ah,
never tried it. I have tried.
yeah.
Maybe that's tomorrow I don't get my certificate, but I don't know. I think when I complete it, I'll get it. And nice meeting you all, my co-bakers, to this family of these bakers, and we thoroughly enjoying your class, ma'am. And
Thank you
once
so
again,
much.
congratulations for completing your new course, which will in turn help us in
Yes,
days to
yes, yes,
come. In days to
absolutely. It is
come.
it is all for you. It is all
And
for you.
one thing I like from you is you're not keeping or hiding anything, because the first day you told that your mother was a teacher and she
Yes.
told you to give all your knowledge to others. That principle you're following, that's a really wonderful principle you're doing it. You're sharing it. Usually the bakers, they don't share all the secrets because they want to, I mean, develop themselves, but they don't. But you are sharing each and every small, and patiently answering all the questions. That's really nice of you. And God bless you, ma'am. And
Thank you
thank
so
you for these classes. And we hope we'll get in the market and do well.
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you,
yes,
ma'am.
absolutely. So
Thank you. Thank
tomorrow's session again, you will get a lot of ideas about
you. Yes,
marketing.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Implement that, and then we will see how to go about it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank
Thank you
you,
so
ma'am.
much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.